whatever you wanna call her, but she with the shit. Entrepreneur, the rich niggas dope, boys her type, yup, she love this. Talk shit, swallow spit, she grab the dick, then do a magic trick. Everybody and they daddy want the bitch, but everybody.
He got fireworks.
I told you, man, nigga, I got fireworks, man.